As a tourism hotspot, Wuyuan of East China's Jiangxi province attracts tourists from all over the world with a golden sea of rapeseed flowers and Hui-style architecture. The outstanding environment here not only attracts tourists, but also made the county home to more than 2,400 species of higher plants and more than 120 species of plants and animals under first-class and second-class state protection in China. So now I'm at the Linnaeus lab, and can you imagine that in here, a glass tank of less than 8 square meters contains over 200 kinds of local creatures. So I'm going to have a tour around this lab today, and here with me is Bai Jingqi, a scientific researcher here, and also my tour guide for today. So hello, Jingqi.
Hello, welcome to our lab.
Thank you.
He's Wuyuan, who specializes in the study of microorganisms, and now he's observing the wonderful world by his microscope. And now he will introduce to us.
Okay, hello, Yang.
Hello, welcome. And you need a microscope to see that we can see it with our naked eyes. We call microorganisms. And this is the video that I prefer to shoot the daily lives of these microbes with a microscope and the camera. Yes, like this is a amoeba that is eating diatoms. This creature is so interesting that he can transform himself into various shapes in order to eat. This is eating a diatom, and so he can eat any shape of food. And then you can see actually the microorganisms like us expect eating. They also have to excrete. When I was observing this rotifer, this is rotifer, I captured his excretion process. You can find what he likes to eat by looking at the composition of the excrement and weight it. Oh, yes, this is the diatom. This is some diatoms because his feces are full of glass, as diatoms are a type of algae that wear a glass coat.
Yes. Thank you, Yang. This actually broadens my horizon because I never knew that there are so many macro creatures that lives among us, and we cannot see them with our bare eyes.
Yeah, so we must need the microscope to see it. It's very wonderful world from his microscope. And besides these snakes and the microbes, there are many insects in this lab, and across this corridor we can.
I've already see that big dragonfly over there.
Yeah. Let me find Xinhua.
Okay.
Hello, Xinhua.
Hello.
Actually, we prefer call him Dragonfly Daddy.
Dragonfly Daddy. That's a very good name.
Okay. This is a dragonfly. This is the largest dragonfly in China. Chronogramphus paleo.
So you got the real one here. That's actually a
Yes, of course. It's not huge. As on the wall. This is a real specimen of this dragonfly.
Come over here. I think there are many things you've never seen before. Hello.
Hello, and you are.
He's Guowei, who really likes to research the dance of different animals.
Okay. Hello, Guowei. And among all these exhibits here, which one of them is the one that you want to introduce to me?
I think this one.
This one?
Yeah.
So what's so special about this one? Whoa, quite heavy. Seems like a rock.
No, it's a dung.
Oh no! If it's a dung, I'm gonna put it down here.
Yeah, but it's a fossilized down from dinosaur from millions of years ago.
Oh,
Yeah, and
what's so special about this dung? That is it so hard to fossilize?
yeah, we prefer to call it a lucky dung.
A lucky dung.
Yeah, because from dung to fossil, it needs to escape the eroding effects of rainwater, avoid insects consuming, and evade the degradation by microbes.
So it's not just takes time to fossilize, it also need to go through many troubles. And that's the reason why we call it so lucky, right?
Yeah. Only in such a rare situation can dung fossilized.
So, and where are we heading next?
Let's go downstairs, and there are many interesting things in it. And actually, our lab is a school that focuses on the nature education, and it gives us a chance to do everything that we like. Such for me, I prefer to research the lichens, so I can do this. And at the same time, we also have the chance to help the local people to know more knowledge about
the nature.
About the nature, about the biodiversity of Wuyuan. So it's a wonderful places for us.
I know we just talked about this lucky dung, and maybe this is not the right time, but you guys are also quite lucky, I think, because you got all this equipment here and also the biodiversity in Wuyuan to continue with your research or doing what you want, like realize your dream. That's also a very lucky thing, I guess. See that? Is this the famous like the glass tank that we talk about?
Yeah. That's right. You're right. It's really remarkable, right?
Of course, very remarkable.
And this mirror was crafted by our lab partners, and it's reflecting the castle landforms of Wuyuan. Look like this, and these plants in it, we collect it from limestone mountain, and we pay a lot of effort to cultivate it.
I already saw those. Oh, I already saw those little plants, and I also saw that frog over there. I'm very interested in it.
It's a lovely frog in this mirror. We collect it from the world. Let me try to touch it, but I'm not sure I can do this.
Because give it a try, but it is impossible. It's okay.
We can reach our hands slowly. Please. Oh.
It got away, but at least we saw it.
Sometimes we can touch his tummy, but today maybe he's traveling, not at home, so he's a little nervous about that.
Tell me something about this one.
Yeah, his name is American Black Bass from Americas, and it's a very delicious food.
It's a very delicious food.
Yeah,
okay.
But actually, it's an invasion species in China, so we keep it here to collect to educate the public about the destructive to the nature. So, do you want to feed it?
Oh, you got a small fish over here. Okay.
Yeah.
If
Try. You can take the.
Okay, I'm gonna do it gently.
Oh. Just put it in.
This fish is not very gentle. He got all interested. Oh! Oh no! That's very aggressive.
Yeah, he's very aggressive.
He sure seems like a bad guy, not like the frog over there.
Actually, at the daily life, do you like doing fish? Do you like doing fish?
I go fishing from time to time, but I'm not an expert.
Okay, that's right. If you have the time to
go fishing?
Yeah, and you can, if you catch this bass, you can take back to your home, and you will get a delicious
fish. Okay, even though it has a bad personality, maybe it tastes good.
Yeah.
And here we are. Oh, maybe I need to lower down my voice. This is
really hungry. These
okay.
Are cute animals. She is Liu.
Hello, Liu.
Who specializes the study of bird ecology.
Okay. Can you tell us something about this owl over here?
He is a little little owl, and he called Asian barred owlet.
I just want to know, like, how did he end up here? Like, we rescued it from the wild?
He crushed the windows,
Oh, that's
and
sad.
we call it bird strikes, and he has swelling around his shoulder, and that means that his left wings is hurt and injured, and temporarily unable to fly. Nearby resident found him and sent him here for medical help, and he is recovering really well, and he should be ready to return to the wild after another week.
Okay.
He's our boss. Okay, call him Dr. Liu.
Okay, Dr. Liu, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And those nests caught my attention over there, but this one is really special. It has drawings on it. Can you tell me something about it?
Actually, this one is the least like an artificial nest box because artificial nest box need to be as attractive as possible by making colors more similar to the surrounding. Such as the diameter and the position of antlers are determined based on the size of birds, the species you want to attract. Generally, teeth and the sparrows like the shape of nest box.
Oh, so if we do it like too colorful, bird won't even choose this kind of nest.
Yeah.
And if the size of this hole is wrong, it also will stop birds from living in it.
Yeah.
And since they like this hole and this hole, they are in different size, I want to know who actually made this.
Wow. These are made by the children.
The children?
Who join our Wuyuan summer camp. These boxes are very useful for increase the population of birds in Wuyuan. Our Wuyuan summer scientific expedition camp will lead over 1,000 children from all over the country to understand the biodiversity of Wuyuan and join in the local ecological conservation and rural revitalization.
Wow, that's truly something remarkable and also valuable around here that you and your teammates are doing. And and today I'm really impressed by these fantastic lives and the efforts made by the lab to conserve them. And the researchers here, they discover the beauty of nature through vigorous field visits and reshape the beauty into vivid science classes and protect the beauty to further realize its economic value through effective and also compatible ecological cooperations. The lab, I think, find a compatible way for human and nature to get along with each other, and it roots the notion of environmental protection into the lives of people's daily lives. And I think that this must just be the inspiration that we need to create an eco-friendly lifestyle. And that's the end of our video today. Hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Say goodbye to our camera.
See you.
Bye.